to Cooking with LYNQ. Today I decided to make a basic hot chocolate with our Invincible and add a little bit of peppermint flavor, and then we have a bunch of different toppings. So I'm first going to start with 2 cups of almond milk. We're just going to let it boil. It'll only take about 5 minutes. So once the milk is hot, I can hear it starting to sizzle, add 3 tablespoons of Invincible. Add 1/8 teaspoon peppermint extract. Turn off the heat. I'm just going to pour into my mug. And I'm just going to add some mini marshmallows. Broken candy cane. Broken up malt balls. If you want to stir it with something, you can either stir it with a candy cane or a little cookie. Let's see what this tastes like. It's very good. It's a perfect amount of peppermint. You can add a little bit more if you want it a little bit stronger, or a little bit less if you like it a little bit weaker, but it's an excellent recipe. So happy holidays to everybody. Welcome to the LYNQ
recipe.
You're like following me around.